Namaskar, this is Dr. Ajay Prakash, naturopathy doctor and yoga professional. I've been teaching yoga since 2018 and started teaching TFU practices since 2 years. TFU is a specific set of practices which increases our strength, our health from the beginning, where a person having very poor health can start it and then upgrade to the healthier versions and stronger versions of the body. We take these TFU classes online and in direct classes, paid classes and free classes. In those classes, we have received so much of feedbacks. Pain has reduced to everyone. Everyone who suffered pain, they first say within few days, within 5 to 6 days, they say pain is almost gone. Blood sugar level comes down, hypertension, that is high blood pressure comes down, cholesterol level becomes normal, and even I see renal conditions, renal failure, they start to recover. Lung diseases and heart issues, those people also see improvements when they check medical reports. So then I have decided to record all those TFU practices and share it in our YouTube channel. The beauty of our TFU is that you can see it and you can do those practices. There is any gender above age 12 can practice this. The beauty of this TFU practice is that you can see the videos, listen to them and practice along with us. We have structured it in that way. Traditional fitness universe will give you lots of benefit, and these traditional fitness universe practices does not contain any such practice which people say guru or diksha should be, initiation should be given. No such things. You can do it for your health. It is no spiritual or no mystic. You can do therapeutically, it adds to value. In a healthy way, it improves one's health and improves well-being in our life. So let's see in the traditional fitness universe series. You can go step by step and see all the lessons. Thank you. Namaskar.